Natalie was an artist with a heart full of passion and a soul that craved adventure. She spent her days painting and exploring the world around her, always searching for inspiration in the beauty of the natural world. One day, as she was setting up her easel in a local park, she noticed a man watching her from a distance. He was tall and handsome, with piercing blue eyes and a kind smile. As she painted, she felt his gaze on her, and she couldn't help but feel drawn to him. When she finished her painting and started to pack up her supplies, he approached her and introduced himself as Oliver. They struck up a conversation, and Natalie felt herself getting lost in his easy charm and quick wit. They talked for hours about everything from their favorite artists to their dreams for the future. As the sun began to set, Oliver asked Natalie if she would like to go for a walk with him. She said yes, and they spent the rest of the night wandering the streets of the city, exploring hidden alleyways and discovering new pieces of art. Over the next few weeks, Natalie and Oliver continued to see each other, spending their days lost in conversation and their nights lost in each other's arms. They laughed, they talked, and they shared their deepest hopes and fears. As they fell deeper in love, Natalie started to see the world through new eyes. She found inspiration in the way Oliver saw the world, in his kind heart and generous spirit. One day, she painted a portrait of him, capturing the way his eyes crinkled when he smiled and the way his laughter echoed through the room. When she presented it to him, he was moved to tears. From that day forward, Natalie and Oliver's love continued to grow, nurtured by the beauty of art and the magic of love. And as they stood together, hand in hand, watching the sunset on the beach, they knew that they had found the greatest masterpiece of all, their love for each other. I hope you enjoyed this love story. It goes to show that love can inspire us to create and appreciate beauty in the world around us.